Are you thinking about learning Tai Chi? Good for you. In this quick video, I'm going to share 3 great reasons to learn Tai Chi. Plus, for a little extra motivation to help you get started, I'll show you some Tai Chi, including exactly the moves I teach new students in our beginning Tai Chi classes. At the end of this video, I'll share with you my #1 tip for Tai Chi beginners, so you can get off to a smooth start in Tai Chi without frustration or wasted time. I'm Chris Cinnamon, head instructor at Chicago Tai Chi. At Chicago Tai Chi, we help adults move their bodies, deeply relax, and achieve vibrant health. The #1 great reason to learn Tai Chi is it's exercise. I'm an exercise physiologist, steeped in the science of exercise. The evidence is overwhelming. Regular physical activity, exercise, is essential for vibrant health. Tai Chi counts as exercise. As you can see, we're constantly shifting weight, turning the hips, bending and stretching, moving the whole body. But Tai Chi is low-impact exercise, easy on the joints and back. The #2 great reason to learn Tai Chi is it heals the body. Extensive Western medical research supports the many healing benefits of Tai Chi, like reducing chronic pain, including knee pain and back pain, improving sleep, reducing blood pressure, supporting your immune system, improving depression and anxiety, improving balance, and avoiding falls. The #3 great reason to learn Tai Chi is it's super fun. In Tai Chi, you'll learn to move your body in a connected, fluid, powerful way. It feels great and is really fun to do. So there you go. 3 great reasons to learn Tai Chi. It's exercise, it heals the body, and it's super fun. Now for my #1 Tai Chi tip for beginners. Find a good teacher. A good teacher is essential to getting off to a smooth start in Tai Chi and learning Tai Chi without frustration or wasting a lot of time. With today's technology, you're no longer limited to your local area. Your teacher could be online or in person. You want a teacher that communicates effectively, both orally and in movement. You want a teacher that can teach Tai Chi safely, including how to properly care for knee joints as you do Tai Chi. You want a teacher who breaks down sophisticated Tai Chi movements into their component parts so you can learn efficiently. With a good teacher, you'll soon be enjoying the powerful benefits and fun of Tai Chi without frustration or wasted time. Want to learn more? Check the description below this video for links to resources.